So quick one here. Anyone can be an hairstylist, but you have to be special. You have to be different from every other person. See, that differentiation is what makes you stand out. It's what makes people come to you. Don't be that person that will just be making hair at the side of the road and everybody goes. You have no level of professionalism, no that. So now I'm going to be giving you, I'm saying about 5 steps on how to be a professional hairstylist. Number 1 is you have to go for learning. Find a very good beauty school. Go learn. So, and when wanting to be an hairstylist, they are different. They are different level, or is differentiated into several aspects. So we have hairstylists for braids, we have those for installation, we have those for dreadlocks, we have those that actually treats natural hair. So know what you want to be good at. Do you understand? You have to find a niche, which is one. So how you can get all these things? You can go on Google Map, you can search for beauty schools around you. Then another thing is, make sure you check the review that most of these beauty school has on Google Map. Then after which, you now check their notability, how popular they are. Because of, truth be told, if let's say a foreign person wants to pick you for a job, they want to check the beauty school that you went to. They want to make sure that your beauty school is notable. The next point is building clients. After getting your certificate as an hairstylist, you now have to start building customers, and you have to start from the scratch. Sometimes you may have to go to schools, all the schools, talk to people, share flyers, and another thing is, you don't have to go on social media. You have to be like completely good, like social media crazy. A person who wants customer, who wants clients, you have to actually work on your own person, because one thing is, you sell your personality first as an hairstylist before wanting to get clients. Some customers will not come to you because of you're very good. They will come to you because of how you make them feel. Being good is one thing. Many people, they're good, but many people don't have the ability to speak, to talk to customers, to encourage customers, to be kind to them, to show some level of empathy, calmness, perseverance. When you've gotten to that point where a customer is very, very open to you and they can tell you anything, they can call you anytime for advice and everything, my dear, you have not turned, you have turned them to family. But there should be some level of boundaries so that they don't start undercharging or underpaying you. You understand? So first off, go to a beauty school. Secondly, build client. Build your customer. Start small. Talk to people. Practice. Now you built your client, right? One of the most difficult things is not just building client, it's keeping client. This is where you tend to be innovative. You tend to think for things, offers that makes them stay. You have to look for ways to wow your customers. Your customers tend to know, let them see how committed you are to your job. Let them see how kind you are. Let them see that you are living and you're breathing this stuff that you're doing. And you're so committed. And customer likes new things. They like growth, no matter how small it is. Whenever they come to your salon, always make sure there's a form of there's something changing for the better. These little things keeps them. You get, sometimes you have to throw like an offer, throw a party, throw discount and everything. Make them stay. Or introduce new stuff to them. Don't be boring. Don't be a boring hairstylist, because if you're boring, they would like overtaking it. People will take your client. And that thought. See, don't be scared when people take your client. Don't be scared, but always make sure that you are learning, you are increasing. Announce new space, announce new locations. You get, these things makes them see. People want to associate with people that are successful. Be a successful hairstylist in all ramification. Another quality of most of all these good hairstylists is they have a quiet time to actually think about what they want for themselves. So just have a quiet time for yourself at some point. last but not the least, practice, learning, practice, learning, practice, learning, practice, learning. You have to keep practicing every time. It's not all about the money. You don't have to make customers and make money at every particular time. You have to practice. You have to make photo shoots. You have to make video shoots. Always have something to post. You have to keep increasing yourself, your knowledge, network with the right persons, with the industry leaders, because in this hair stuff we have industry leaders. Practice, network, build yourself, build your mind, read, have knowledge.